Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Today we have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you today. I truly hope you enjoy it. You see, wash and dry. They have these wonderful books. Especially, I guess it's still considered the first part of the year where you're trying to, stay on that diet or change your eating lifestyle. 21 days keto magic. Maybe that may help you, may not. And then they have paleo perfected. So if you want a paleo diet, they have a book for you to follow along. So I truly hope you enjoy this Dollar Tree haul. Oh, by the way, Rivers, these books I think are made into a TV series on Netflix, I believe. So if you like these books or if you like that show, you may go to your local Dollar Tree and see if they have the books that turned into a series. Well, they have the infamous poppy sodas. They have strawberry lemonade, orange, and lemon lime. Ooh, I purchased the lemon lime and the orange. However, they only had a couple of the strawberry lemonade, and all the cans were bent and looked like they've been through a lot. So I decided not to buy those cans. But if you've tried any of these, let me know in the comment section down below. This item is not new, but I've seen it brought back to my Dollar Tree. The wood beads on the metal circle. So if you're looking for beads, I remember, what was it, last year or the year before, some like beads were everywhere. Everyone was buying the beads, painting the beads, doing this and that with their DIY craft projects with the beads. If you're still doing projects with the beads, let me know, all right? Let me know. Now it's time for our dollar plus section. It may include one, two, or even more dollar plus items for you to enjoy. Well, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and join my 1K family. Thanks. Like I always said, be blessed. Until next time, and be better than yesterday.